jumping Jonah fast to begin. Yumsta gangsta. Key victory rushing out double harmony. And Grand Excess is the early trailer. Yumsta gangsta. Followed by jumping Jonah. Double harmony racing in third by some 4 lengths. Key victory down on the inside. And Grand Excess running in fifth by some 8 or 9 lengths of the leader. Back to the leader, Youngsta Gangsta by some 3 lengths, followed by Jumping Jonah. And racing third, Double Harmony, Key Victory. As they race the final corner, Youngsta Gangsta racing while a little bit. Jumping Jonah down on the inside once again. Double Harmony, Key Victory, Grand Excess. Jumping Jonah, and on the outside, Youngsta Gangsta, Double Harmony, Key Victory, Grand Excess also joining them. 5 runners fighting out for the lead. Key Victory, Grand Excess, and finally, Key Victory, Grand Excess. Close. Double Harmony,